Hi, friends, I'm Luna. Get ready for a super fun adventure where we explore science, space, and all things awesome. Let's learn and play together. Hello, friends. Today we're going on a magical adventure with magnets. Did you know that magnets can pull things or push them away? This means magnets can attract things towards them or repel things away from them.
Wow! Let's explore how magnets work and have some fun with them. Magnets are super special. They have a magic power called magnetic force. This force can pull some things close, but not everything. Look at this paper and this coin. Which one do you think the magnet will pull? Wow! The magnet pulls the coin, but not the paper.
That's because magnets only stick to special things like metal.
Magnets can do two cool tricks. They can attract. That means they pull things together. Look, these two magnets stick to each other. But magnets can also repel. That means they push each other away. Whoa, the magnets don't want to touch. That's because magnets have two sides, a north pole and a south pole. Opposites attract, but same sides push away.
Now, let's go on a magnet hunt. I have a spoon, a toy car, a wooden block, and a book. Which one do you think will stick? If you said spoon, you're correct. Magnets love metal. Magnets have a secret power you can't see. They have something called a magnetic field.
That's an invisible force around them that pulls things. Magnets are everywhere. We use them to stick pictures on the fridge, to help trains float and move super fast, and even in compasses to find our way. That's right. Compasses have a tiny magnet that always points north. How cool is that? Now, let's play a fun game. Make a fishing pole with a magnet and some paper fish with paper clips. Can you catch them? Let's go.
So, what did we learn today? Magnets can pull or attract and push or repel. Magnets only stick to metal. Magnets have a force field. And magnets are everywhere.
Magnets are amazing. They can attract and repel and stick to metal. And guess what? You can find magnets all around you.
That was so much fun, friends. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe for more awesome adventures. Bye.